This was such an easy way to make tortillas that I really can't believe it worked, but it did. I've tried other recipes online and I could never get it to turn out right. So I thought, well, I'm going to try the prepackaged pizza dough and see how that works. It's actually a pizza dough mix and it's the Walmart brand. You can use whatever brand that you have on hand. So just follow the directions on the package, get that all mixed up really well, and then form a ball. And of course, you're going to let this rest for just a few minutes. Just rub some oil over it, cover it with plastic, and I let mine rest for about 7 minutes. So now that that's been resting for a few minutes, I'm going to lightly flour my rolling surface, and I'll just pat this out a little bit. You don't really have to do a lot. You really don't even need that much flour. And then just pinch off as much as you want for the size of tortillas that you would like, and just roll that into little balls and put those on a plate. And in the meantime, when you're almost done rolling the balls, just preheat your pan on medium high. And you do not need to put any grease or oil in this pan. You'll just roll the tortillas out, and I definitely need some practice doing that. I seem to have gotten worse with each one I rolled out, but practice makes perfect, and they turned out very, very well, and they taste great. I think I got, yes, I got about 7 tortillas out of the mix that I bought. It will just depend on the size of the package of pizza crust mix that you buy. I think the thing I like the most about this is there was no guesswork in the measurements, except for the 1/2 cup of hot water. Make sure you use hot water in the pizza crust mix. But that was it, and this was just so simple. And then you just you're going to put that on your pan with no oil at all, and cook those for a couple of minutes. And you can see they're very flexible. They turned out great, so I'm pretty happy with this. This is probably what I'll do from now on. So if you have trouble making homemade tortillas, try this. It will work and you will love it. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.